Hello, and thanks for stopping by. Today we'll be discussing how to get layouts working in AwesomeWM. So this is my current layout. This is called Centered, and it's by Bling. Now Bling does all of these utilities for AwesomeWM. Some of the features include layouts like mstab, centered, vertical, horizontal, and equal area. But they also have things like modules, things like tab container, window swallowing, scratch pads. They also have a tag and task preview. But what we're interested in is this centered layout. So what you're going to want to do is go into your .config/awesome and create yourself a layouts folder. Double click into it, and here you already see that I have the files on here. So for you to get the files on here, you're going to go to layout and download the centered.lua file and save it to your .config/awesome/layouts. The next thing you'll want to do is go to icons/layouts, and you'll want to download the centered.png. Now what I did was I went into GIMP and made myself a centered white, so that way it would show up in my WeBar because my background is black. For these files, you can either go to Bling or you can go to my.files, and I've made sure to give them an attribution because their work is solid. They did exactly what I wanted it to do for my layout, and I couldn't ask for more. So once you've done that, we're going to go into our rc.lua file and find where it says table of layouts to cover with awful.layout.inc, order matters. And here I put a comment that says custom layouts. I set a local variable to my layout and it equals require, and in parentheses and double quotes we're going to put in layouts.centered. Layouts is the folder that we got it from, and centered is the name that's in the file. And under awful.layout.layouts, you'll want to add in that variable with a comma. Go ahead and save, and let's go to the next part. The next thing you'll want to do is go into your theme.lua file and locate where it says you can use your own layout icons like this. We're going to put in a new variable, and we're going to call it theme.layout_centered. And this variable is going to equal the path to our icon, which is why I said to make sure to create a layouts folder and then specify what the file name is. Go ahead and save that. Go ahead and reload. Specify your layout, and you should be good to go. Now this doesn't just work on other people's layouts. With what I've shown you, you can make your own .lua file and create your own layout. But as I said before, this layout does everything that I need it to do. So I didn't see a need to create my own .lua file. But the option is there, and I've shown you how to do it. And with that, we've come full circle. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in the next video.